First thing, this workshop. You received an email, whether or not you looked at it, you received an email from the district about earning college credit from the Grossmont-Cuyamaca School District, or Community College District. And it's how to sign up, how to do all that stuff, what hoops you got to jump through, and when you get the course. And there's a workshop on January 18th. I'm going to leave this here. Every day it's going to be here until the 18th. I don't want you to do this in class. Do this at home. If you want to get college credit, do it at home. Sorry, freshmen, it's only for sophomores, juniors, and seniors, because any college credit you earn in high school, it has to be within 3 years of graduating. So that's why it's only for those classes. So there you go. Do you do this in class? No, do it at home. Second thing, attendance. We had a great situation arise in second period yesterday where a student logged into the second. In records, you look in the history tab and it says he was there right when class started, right to the second. And it occurred to me after that class ended that the database doesn't work in seconds. It works at minuscule fractions per second, but it rounds to the nearest second. So if it says 00 right at the minute class starts and you were marked late or on time or whatever the situation is, the database rounds to the nearest second. So if it marks you tardy, it means it rounded down. It was past the 00, but it wasn't quite to half a second yet, so it rounded to the nearest second. Whether that makes sense or not, just know this: the database doesn't lie. And what you get is what you get. All right, I got some to talk about required quests and this quote of the day. And what's this "and" thing?